If you're over 50 and you walk every day, but your belly fat won't go away, you're not using one simple thing: your waist. Most people walk too fast and keep their body stiff. That puts your body into stress mode and stops fat burning. But today, I'll show you a gentle Tai Chi waist method. Slow, safe, and designed for your body after 50. Move 1, waist activation. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, and let your body feel grounded. Relax your shoulders, soften your knees, and gently release any tension. Now, slowly shift your weight from left to right. Very gentle, very controlled. Take your time, about 3 to 4 seconds on each side. Stay here with me for about 2 minutes. Don't rush, there's no need to hurry. Just feel your body moving as one. Feel your waist and the connection between your hips and your core. As your weight moves, notice how your waist begins to respond. Not forced, just natural. This small movement is waking up your core. Many people skip this step, and that's why nothing changes. Slow is powerful. Gentle is effective. Consistency is what matters. Continue shifting left and right. Let your breathing stay calm, soft, and steady. In the next movement, we'll gently add a rotation. And that's where your belly fat really starts to respond. Move 2, waist twist. Now, stay relaxed and gently begin to rotate your upper body. Let your waist lead, not your arms. Your arms simply follow, soft and natural. Turn slightly to the left, then slowly to the right. Keep the movement small and easy. This is not about how far you turn. It's about how well you feel your waist. Most people move too fast here. They twist with their shoulders and forget the waist. That's why belly fat stays. As you rotate, feel your core gently engage. Notice a soft squeeze around your waist. Not tight, just awake. Slow and smooth, left and right. Stay with the movement. Imagine your waist guiding your whole body like a gentle wave, flowing from side to side. This is the movement that most people miss. And this is where change begins. Continue here for about 2 minutes. No rush, no pressure, just movement and breath. In the next step, we'll gently add a forward motion, and your body will start to burn even more. Move 3, step plus twist. Now, we gently add a step. Step forward, heel first, then slowly roll through your foot to your toes. As you step, gently add a twist. Let your waist guide the movement, not your shoulders, not your arms. Move slowly and stay in control. Before the next step, let your weight fully shift forward. Step and twist, slow and smooth. Stay balanced, stay relaxed. This movement activates your entire core. Your waist, your lower belly, your balance, and this is where Your body starts to burn fat after 50. Most people walk straight, no twist, no control. That's why nothing changes. Now just continue. Same gentle rhythm. Step, twist, breathe. Stay slow. Feel your core. Let it flow. Each step is light. Each movement is connected. Your body is working as one. Continue here for about 2 to 3 minutes. No rush, just consistency. In the next part, we'll keep this movement and enter a gentle flow. That's where your body burns the most. Now, let your arms begin to move. As you step forward, allow your opposite arm to gently swing forward. Soft, natural, no effort. Let your arms and your waist move together. One leads, the other follows. Everything is connected. Don't force your arms, just let them flow like water. When your arms relax, your whole body begins to relax. And your movement becomes smoother and easier. Stay with this rhythm, slow, steady, and calm. Let each step blend into the next. No thinking, just moving. Feel your body working as one, light, balanced, and relaxed. Now just continue. Same rhythm, same gentle movement. Stay slow, stay relaxed. Feel your core. Let your breathing remain calm, in and out, slow and steady. You don't need to think, just move and just breathe. Let each step flow into the next, smooth and effortless. This is where your body begins to change. Not through force, but through consistency. Stay with the movement, calm, steady, and continuous. Stay with it. You're doing great. Keep going. Feel your body moving as one, light, balanced, and calm. This continuous movement keeps your body in a gentle, fat-burning state, safe, steady, and effective. Just continue. As long as it feels comfortable, no pressure, just movement. In the next moment, we'll gently increase the rhythm, just a little, and your body will begin to burn even more. Fat burn zone. Now, slightly increase your rhythm. Not fast, just more continuous. Let your steps flow naturally, one into the next. Keep the movement soft and controlled. No tension, no rushing. Stay relaxed, stay balanced. Feel your waist, working gently. Feel your core, supporting each step. This is your fat-burning zone. After 50, not intense, not stressful, gentle but effective. When your body stays relaxed and keeps moving continuously, it can begin to use fat as energy. Most people try to go faster, and that pushes the body into stress mode, blocking fat burn. But here, you stay calm, you stay steady, and your body responds better. Step, flow, breathe. Step, flow, breathe, stay with it. Keep going. You're doing great. Feel a gentle warmth around your waist. Your body is working quietly, but effectively. Continue here for about 2 minutes. No pressure, just consistency. In the next moment, we'll slow everything down and allow your body to recover and absorb the benefits. Cool down. Slow it down. Let your movement become softer and smaller. Gently reduce your steps. Let your breathing return to calm. In and out, slow, deep, and natural. Feel your body lighter, more relaxed. Your shoulders loose, your waist soft. You've just given your body a gentle way to move, a safe way to awaken your core and to support your health after 50. This is how change happens. Not fast, not forceful, but slow and consistent. Take one more deep breath in and out. Carry this feeling with you, calm, balanced, and steady. And whenever you're ready, you can continue this journey with more gentle Tai Chi walking. If this helped you, take a moment and notice how your body feels right now. Calmer, lighter, more balanced. Keep practicing this a little each day, not for perfection, but for consistency. Because small, gentle movements done daily can create real change after 50. And whenever you're ready, you can continue with the full Tai Chi walking routine. It's there to guide you, step by step, at your own pace. You'll see it right here on your screen. Just follow along and keep moving gently. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you.